Today I'm painting in front of Jungle Cafe. It's my favorite vegan restaurant since I moved to New York. I used to have Sunday brunch here. And I'm painting basically the outdoor dining situation. And I also wanted to take the time to say a little bit more what this mural is about and what inspired me. It's a little bit different than the murals that I normally paint because I'm really trying to access this interconnectivity between plants and our human cells that I just learned about. When we're eating food, it's not just the food that we're eating all of the bacteria and the micronutrients that are found within the soil, which is called the soil microbiome. And those bacteria that we ingest influence how our cells communicate with each other. And so when we ingest this bacteria from the foods that we eat, that's actually influencing how our human cells communicate with each other. The mitochondria, which I always thought was an organelle of the human cell, is actually more akin to a bacteria, maybe a derivative of a bacteria that our human cells swallowed early on in evolution. And the mitochondria has its own genetic blueprint, its own DNA. And so the bacteria that we ingest influences how this mitochondria interacts and how the mitochondria between our cells interact. So it's actually a sort of bacterial communication network.
This looks beautiful.
Thank you so much. Unfortunately, we are destroying a lot of our microbiome through the use of pesticides, especially Roundup. You know, it's actually to the point that we could really kill this beautiful interconnectivity and therefore traumatize our own cells and have them be isolated and not able to communicate. So anyway, I wanted to start making art about this topic. This is going to be my first mural that I make about this topic. And yeah, I hope to do more about this in the future.